Hello everyone, welcome to BricksNotes. This is Kriti. Today, we are going to understand Databricks Omnigent and why companies may need a common control layer for AI agents. Imagine a software company using Claude Code for one project, Codex for another, and custom agents for internal workflows. Each agent has different models, tools, permissions, costs. Now imagine managing hundreds or thousands of them across one company. How do you switch between agents without rebuilding everything? How do you stop a runaway loop, protect credentials, control spending, and let teams review the same live session? That is the problem Databricks Omnigent is trying to solve. One quick clarification. Omnigent is an open source alpha project built by the Databricks AI team and Neon. It is not a standard commercial Databricks product. Omnigent describes itself as a meta harness for AI agents. A harness connects an agent to models, tools, files, and execution. A meta harness sits above individual harnesses and provides a common layer across Claude Code, Codex, Pi, and agents teams build themselves. Think of it as a universal control room. The workers may be different, but the company gets one place to compose them, control them, and collaborate around their work. The first idea is composition. A team may use one agent for coding, another for review, and another for research. Omnigent allows teams to combine different agents in one workflow without rebuilding around one provider. Its built-in orchestrators include Poly, which can divide coding work across multiple agents, and Debby, which compares answers from different models. The names are less important than the principle. Use specialized agents for different strengths while keeping one orchestration layer. The second idea is control. Prompts can tell an agent what we want, but prompts are not a strong security boundary. Omnigent uses contextual policies that intercept tool calls, model requests, and file operations. A policy can allow an action, pause for human approval, or deny it. Because the policies are stateful, they can remember what has already happened during the session. They can track model spending, limit tool calls, increase a risk score after sensitive actions, or route simple tasks away from expensive models. In our recent video, when companies run millions of AI agents, we explained that more agents can multiply cost and risk as quickly as productivity. Databricks Omnigent shows what a practical agent control plane could begin to look like. The third idea is secure execution. Omnigent includes an operating system level sandbox called Omnibox. The agent sees only the files and network destinations it is allowed to access. Real credentials can remain hidden. The agent receives a placeholder token, while an approved proxy inserts the real credential only when a permitted request leaves the sandbox. This means an agent can use a service without directly reading its secret. The fourth idea is collaboration. Agent sessions can be shared with full history so teammates can review, comment, and guide the same live work across devices. This changes the experience from one person privately prompting an agent into a team supervising intelligent work together. In our autonomous financial agents video, we said the goal is not unlimited autonomy, it is controlled autonomy. Omnigent applies the same thinking at the infrastructure level. The agent may propose an action, but policies, approvals, sandbox rules, and cost limits determine whether it can proceed. There is also an important caution. Omnigent is still in alpha. Companies should evaluate its maturity, security, integrations, support, and operational fit before using it for critical workloads. Here is the key lesson. The future of enterprise AI may not belong to one perfect agent. Companies will probably use many models, harnesses, and specialized agents. The real challenge will be coordinating them without losing security, visibility, or control. Databricks Omnigent is exploring a common layer for agent composition, contextual policies, secure sandboxing, and real time collaboration. Agents may provide intelligence, but enterprises still need an operating system for trust. That connects directly with the context advantage. Agents need context to understand, control to operate safely, cost awareness to scale, and the right choices about models, tools, and architecture. You can explore more practical data and AI concepts through BricksNotes and the context advantage. Thank you for watching BricksNotes. Keep learning, keep building, and keep growing.